Hey guys, welcome to your third Adobe Illustrator tutorial. I've realized that these have become relatively popular recently. So in this tutorial, I kind of want to go over how to make some kind of a resume or something like that. This is one of mine. I deleted some information that's personal, but yeah. So I'm just going to go over how to do some of the techniques I used on here, how to align stuff better, and yeah, it's pretty much just an organizing and alignment tutorial. So without further ado, Control N, and we'll create a letter size. Make sure it's, yep, that looks good. See if I can do, nope, let's try to do a French accent. Okay, so first thing we need to do is, it doesn't seem correct. Yeah, hold on here. Letter, make sure it's in inches so I know. Okay, that should be good. Yeah. Okay, so first thing we need is to find like a picture or something that we can use for our logo. And when I started, I kind of wanted to make like my own little business thing. So let me see here. I'll use this one. This is I think I use this in like a promo video or something. Gonna have to scale this down a lot. And let's get started with the whole alignment thing. Now the biggest thing is transparency is pretty important, but I don't really know where my other logo is. Is it on my desktop? Oh, it is. Okay, so I have a PNG photo right here that's transparent, as you can see, and that's going to do a lot better. So to line this up in the center, you can just drop it in, and it's going to have two intersect things. The one in the center is going to be where it goes all the way down to the center, as you can see there. So that's good. And yeah, there's that. Now let's say we want to have some dividers. We can click on this line tool here, make sure our stroke's on, go straight down the middle, just make sure that's like that, and hold shift. Shift will allow you not only, this is without shift, shift will allow 90 degrees and 45 degree angles. So there's that. And then we'll do a couple right here. We're gonna have to eye these because it doesn't have the best tools for this, but put that there, and then we can alt drag it over to here, and it will actually, what it will do, as you can see, oops. So if I put this here, it's going to automatically detect the same exact thing for over here. So it's been a while since I've used this program, I'll be honest. So I think it's shift click. No, it's not. Okay, I'll just do this. Same plane here, and then boom. That's perfectly symmetrical. It may not look like it, but it actually is. So if you need to, check if it is, you can always turn on your rulers. But anyway, it's at 2, it's at 7. There you go. Alright, so the next step is just to put in some text. Experiences. And I kind of, in this, I kind of use the color scheme of my title here, so I use some blue and some silvery gray and stuff like that. So I also used a lot of rotations, and I put the stuff over here. Another huge thing is padding. Make sure you've got enough space over here and such. So yeah, it's a little big, but, and then we'll turn this blue We can just, actually we can use this. Eyedropper is eye. Pick the color there, and it'll be exactly the same. Okay, and then duplicate that. For undo, it's not really enjoying me. There we go. Control Z. It says save changes before closing. Oh well. Okay, so just duplicate that. We could probably scale this down a little bit. We will in a sec. So in this one we'll just put programs. Good enough. Scale it down. Looks so weird. And then another big thing is font. I like this font that I'm using, Myriad Pro. Also I like Calibri because it's the new, or Calibri, however you pronounce it. You can also use dashes. Oh, this is why I'm having issues. My keyboard switched to French. Use dashes. Awkward. And yeah, stuff like that. So we're just gonna put a few columns of this. Yeah, this looks, I did this sloppily. Oh well. Whatever. I'm actually gonna line this up with the edges of these. I'll make it look better. Oh, and if this ever happens to you, this is a huge problem that comes across in Illustrator. It will just have this, just click the backspace, and a couple times it'll go away. I don't remember what the trigger for that is, but it's really annoying. Okay, so if we look at the difference here, we also have these light underlines here, and you might be wondering, what's the difference between, say, these underlines and these ones? It's quite simple. So we're going to do the same thing, make a line here underneath. As you can see, it's very thick and whatnot. There is a thing here called stroke. If it's not, go to Window, Stroke. And here we can adjust the weight. If we put 0, it disappears. But there are some options for like 0.25. As you can see, that creates a nice gray thin line, and that's pretty nice looking. Maybe 0.75. Yeah, that's good. And this P makes this difficult. And put one here. And if you want to change the size of this, just drag it like that. Okay, what else? You always want to have a footer. Let's put it that way. Footers are great. I actually had more stuff here once again. I just don't want my personal information yet. So yeah. Some other cool things you can do are things like just basic design stuff. So you could take this text, actually you could take both of these and rotate them sideways just to kind of give a different feel. I mean, you could legitimately rotate all of this stuff and have your thing kind of be sideways. Do you see how creative that looks? It's pretty cool, yeah. And you could have the other one the other way. Yeah, so actually that doesn't look half bad. It'd be a really nice artistic way to do stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you some basic alignment stuff and all that. In the next tutorial, I will be going over some more actual artistic style stuff rather than geometrical type stuff. So thank you guys for watching. I'm going to continue this series on because people seem to really enjoy these videos. So please like this or subscribe if you want more. So see you guys later.